Mai. Hi, my name is Owen.
In Moatara, Winton School, I'm Alex. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Upper the 29th of April.
Okay, we start the day with te kupu or te wiki, manu.
Which is te rio for bird.
Kei roto te manu e te whare.
The bird is in the house.
We also have tidiest class news. A drum roll please for
rooms 5, 7 and 13.
It's a long term, so keep those class tidy. A pizza award awaits.
Hockey news. Winton Warriors, that's Mrs Laffey's team. If it's wet, please meet in the hall. And the Winton St Thomas Whizz, that's Lochie and Willis' team. You all have a practice on the basketball court at 12:45. Kia Ora.
Okay, this time Wednesday is the library day, opening from 12:40 until 1:10 for browsing, issues and returns.
And there are librarians ready to help. It's nice and warm. Kia Ora.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, I noticed about some of the grass areas around the school that are getting a bit boggy.
Please keep clean and dry as possible at interval lunchtime. This means thinking carefully about where you play.
And making wise choices around the playground. Kia Ora.
Hi Mrs. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Okay, 2 birthdays today at Winton School. Magenta for Ololongo is turning 13.
And Blair Wilson is a big 9. Happy birthday guys, have a great day.
Okay, that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite a popo.
Stay clean, stay dry and stay away from mud when in school.